It's a typical day in math class, and Monica's having troubles.
Oh, I don't get this.
Are you having troubles factoring simple trinomials?
Yes, how did you know?
Oh, we know.
I hate math.
No, silly monkey, you love math.
There are 3 simple ways and rules to factor simple trinomials, and my good friend Mr. Shores will help us out with that. Hey, Mr. Shores.
Hi, Miss Tasha.
Okay, the first rule of simple factoring is the first term is the product of x times x.
The second rule is last term is 2 numbers that multiply to give you that number.
Oh, you silly monkey.
So you still don't.
I haven't drank my last night.
The second rule is the last term is 2 numbers that multiply to give you that number.
3 is the middle term of the sum of the 2 numbers that multiply together that give you the last term.
Zoom in.
Monica, that the first term is always squared and multiplies by itself. You know what that means? So, if, for example, if you had x squared, that would equal x multiplied by itself, which in the end would always be x, so you can make it x squared. Number 2, you have to remember that the outside terms multiply to get the last term and add to get the middle term. So what times what will get you 6?
3 times 2? 1 times 6?
Well, which one of these will add together to give you positive 5?
3 and 2.
So this shows that 3 times 2 equals to 6, but also adds to give you the middle number.
Okay, Monica, this is my way. Now, first you have to look at the 2 numbers in the equation. You have to find a combination of numbers that adds to give you the middle number, and multiplies to give you the last number. Now, what numbers do you think multiply to give you negative 21?
1 and negative 21, negative 7 and 3.
Okay.
Positive 7 and negative 3. And negative 1 and 21.
Okay. Now, what is 1 and negative 21 add together?
Negative 1.
Positive.
Positive 20.
That's not the right one.
Well then it would be this one because that equals negative 4.
You're right. So, the 2 numbers are negative 7 and 3. Well, now, Monica, with those 2 numbers, what do you think the answer should be?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Okay, well, first, you gotta put it in the brackets. Now, what do you think you have in both brackets?
M.
Right. Now the m is in both brackets because if you look back at the equation, m is squared, which means m times m gives you m squared. Now, what else do you think you should have in the first bracket?
Negative 7.
You're right. Because, and then,
Positive 3.
because negative 7 times positive 3 gives you negative 21, but adds to be negative 4. So, this is your answer.
Okay.
I waste so much time in the questions.
Okay, Monica, you saw Mr. Short's way. Now here's my way. Now, you have to remember T, G, S, A. You know what that means, right?
Thank God for algebra.
No, you silly muffin. It's thank goodness for algebra. Now, this question is, find what we can do that times this 14 that adds to 5. Okay. So, let's do 7 and -2. 7 and 2. 14 minus 1. And -14 and 1. Good job, Monica. You saw that this is plus and this is minus. So one of each has to be minus. Now, which one of these adds to make positive 5? 7, -2. Now let's see. -7 plus 2, that's -5. So that would not be it. Okay. 7, -2. There we go. We found our answer. So now we want to plug in -2 and positive 7 into our x squared. And now because x squared is squared, we'll want to make it so there's in 2 brackets. And because there's plus and minus, we want to make it now, where would the -2 go? Right here. Right. And opposite 7? Right there. That wasn't so hard. I guess so. Good job. So what do you think, Monica? My way is so much better, right?
Nah, my way is so much better. It's a lot easier.
But they're both the same.
They're not the same. She's Miss Gacho.
We're talking about Mr. Shaw here.
Okay, but you both said middle number equals the middle number, but it times to make the last term. And I get it.
Right.
Okay.
Thank
God
God
for
for
algebra.
I mean, goodness. Silly. And back into your bracket so we know that is x squared. Oh my gosh. Peanut, not now. Not now.